Phoenix Typewriter here, phoenixtypewriter.com. Got a Royal, Quiet Deluxe, and this one is actually an Aristocrat, but they are all the same. Underneath, down here, where the trouble is. So this one doesn't space, doesn't type. It's jammed up in more ways than one. Backspace, it's just a mess. I tried, fixing it down here, and I just had a lot of trouble, and then I finally seen the problem. If you look from here, and let me get the light in here right, maybe. This bar here, right there, that mounts over there. See how it's crooked? It's not even. It should be flat, and it's like this. Okay, well that's a pretty good clue. And then if you get close here, look. Get my light out of the way. You can see this pivot right here is out of place. That's a little pin, and a little hole it goes on into is right there. And that has popped out of place, probably due to shipping damage. There's a good view. So the matter is to get this pin back in there, and hopefully everything falls into place, because I didn't bend anything yet trying to fix this. Just that took some force. I'm just going to reverse the force on this. Oh, sounds right or not, but instead of trying to loosen things and trying to do things, I'm going to flex this bracket on this side. I'm going to flex it out of place, and then hopefully she will fall into place. So I can't see this point of view. I'm having a hard time getting light in here. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna twist this and position this back into that hole, hopefully. It's gonna come this way. There it goes. And I'm going to tweak that back in. Give it some. Oh, okay. So that's back where it belongs. Let's see. Let's just see if it works here. I'm not even going to try it down here. Let's just try it up here. Look at that. Well, besides the type bar sticking, that's a different problem. Well, type bars aren't typing, but now it's not spacing. What happened? Something happened. Well, that still looks all right to me, but looks like this is gonna take some more adjustment. Okay, that feels like it's binding right on that. So maybe I went too tight on the twist there. Maybe there's a spring off in here somewhere. Maybe it's now out of adjustment. And I think it's just going too far. Yeah. So now that paw, after all this, that paw way in there has got to be adjusted, and that's a different, I have a different video for that. But that is, yeah, so it would work if you press the space bar harder. Yeah, let's see. So that piece needs to be adjusted right there on the star wheel. That little ball and paw probably got a little bit tweaked or something, and the shipping damage just got. So that was the main culprit for this video, though. It's this pin out of place, and just the fact that it could be anything in here. There's so much stuff in these, and they get jarred so easily. So yeah, look for the Royal Quiet Deluxe ball to adjust the rest of that. But I think the primary problem in this one is repaired. So yeah, see, it works fine if you force it, but it's got to be adjusted. All right, well, that's a video for today on this Aristocrat Phoenix typewriter. Good day.